location. Let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place. Change me your location. Let's survive.
Yeah, we at Mickey D's in the Costa. He said, you habla English? Uno momento. I'm about to get a salad with no meat, of course, because I ain't no meat eater. Do y'all see? They got chicken wings. McCrispy. First of all, how y'all doing? I guess we're gonna start this vlog off right in the car. We are in Costa freaking Rica.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. You understand what my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, when I see you, I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. In the zone, when you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah, 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 yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I just wanna know, baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now.
Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, we just got to the room. Hey, y'all, we just got to the villa. We're at Oxygen Jungle Villa in Costa Rica. It took us about 3.5 hours to get here from San Jose, which is where the airport is, and the ride was cool. It was all right, other than the fact that it was like you had to go 50 miles per hour for 3.5 hours. So it could have really been faster if you were able to drive faster. We were in mountains though, so today we were supposed to get massages. Y'all, we didn't make it in time. Hopefully somebody canceled. Yeah, we praying on somebody downfall. Hopefully somebody cancel in the morning, and if they cancel, we gonna take their spot. But I'm really just grateful to be here, really just grateful to be able to travel to another country and explore. Oh yeah, we have a dinner we got a dinner.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you see. We got a dinner reservation at 8. It's 4:45, 5 o'clock. Y'all know that we gon' round up 5 o'clock. Tell me why we stopped at McDonald's and they didn't speak. I mean, we don't mind them not speaking English because that's just what it is. Like we in Costa Rica, everybody don't even want to speak English anyway. English really ain't all that. But we had problems with the currency. We still need to just research that shit because we went through like 3 toll roads and we just gave them whatever, and whatever change and whatever change they gave us back, that's just what it was. So we don't know if we out of hundreds of dollars. That's sad. But anyway, back to McDonald's. They gave me a cheeseburger ass salad. It looked like they took a burger apart and just put the salad, like they put big ass tomatoes. It's McDonald's. I expected more, but I really didn't expect shit because we don't eat McDonald's. We was just hungry. We ain't ate nothing today other than that. Y'all, I didn't even eat the salad. It stunk. I didn't like the smell, and I'm not even really like a smell person. This dude. played up like he's somebody's daddy or something. After 3.5 hours, we're here. So hey y'all, welcome to your girl Costa Rica vlog. I just been reminding myself and my husband to take some mindful breaths so we won't be in our head and we'll be 100% present on this trip. This is like a low screen time trip. A low screen time trip to the tour.
Every time young baby and music.
Welcome.
Look.
Come on in. BigDick.com.
No, man.
This is the bed where the magic happens. You feel me? Oh wait, we gotta figure out where the lights at. Oh, hold on.
You twist them.
This may be a little too fancy.
You messing with the fan now.
Oh, okay. Okay. So this is the bed area. It has like a little charger station on both sides. We need that. Stop moving the camera. Stop scratching your head. Itch head. This area right here is the toilet. This is the toilet. Over here, we got our Jack and Jill sinks. What side are you gonna get on?
The left side.
Why you gotta get? Why I can't get on the left side?
Why you didn't say what side you wanted to be on before you asked me what side I wanted to be on?
Because I wanted to see if you would have known that I said if I would have said the left side.
Yeah.
So you really don't know me like that.
Yeah.
This look like a
Flashlight.
Oh wow! They gave us a flashlight. This is the shower. Just oh hell no! This is an overhead shower.
Your hair.
This ain't for black folks.
You about to take a wipe off?
Oh. Tea and coffee section. They said it's free. It's on them. They got money.
Everything else costs.
Yeah, literally everything else. $40 for a bottle of wine. Rosé, please. We're back to the bed. Oh, and this is outside. Dude, I'm recording.
I ain't gonna go girl. Take it.
Hi. Thank you. Ooh. It's really nice. the rain has not been good to us. Y'all might be wondering where the hell we at right now. We in a whole different spot. We done did so much shit. I didn't even vlog. Well, I have been vlogging. I just ain't been talking. Good morning to you. The birds are chirping. This is what I get when I order an extra large swim top. It grinds my gears a little bit because it's like, well damn, if a girl can't get the right bra size, what the hell could she get? The bottoms, I could probably tie them tighter. But the top, it's nothing cute about this. Like, it's, look, my nipple, it bothers me real bad. But I did not talk yesterday at all because it was pretty much raining all day and it was a relaxing mode. I feel like I was in a live YouTube ASMR video, you know, the one that you put on before you go to sleep, the rainy videos. Because y'all know on YouTube they have different type of settings. They have, you know, different spots where you can just imagine, you know, you just close your eyes and imagine that you're there and the rain sounds just... That's exactly how it was yesterday with the massages. And then after the massages, we came and checked into our Airbnb, which I'm gonna give y'all a tour whenever we get back. We went to eat and it was still raining. Like, it was raining the whole day yesterday. We went to sleep early as hell, y'all. Right now it's probably like 10 a.m. and we just been up getting ready and stuff like that so that we can go to the beach. Let's go get away. Hey, what they gonna say? How about drink? Hey. Yo, when I twerk, my shorts basically hyping me up. I like that. I love that for us. We have 2 excursions today, but it's like 2-in-1, like a 2-in-1 piece combo. So the outfit that I had on yesterday that I didn't take pictures in, so I'm gonna put that back on, take pictures in that. This morning I meditated, really, like, I felt so good. Everybody just take a deep mindful breath with me in 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. This bikini is so freaking cute. Even though the top is not doing me justice right now, I still love it. Yeah, my whole point for this trip was to really just be surrounded by nature. I love being by water. I'm so proud. Like, I'm so proud of where I am. I have the utmost gratitude at this moment, at this present moment. Enough of me talking. Oh yeah, and the area that I'm in is Uvita. I went to Oxygen Jungle Villa first. It's all in the same area, about 10 minutes apart. But I am in Uvita Osa, Puerto Rico. Y'all, bye.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart's icy. Come, baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, Love the way you twist and turn.
Like I said, we see dogs. Any dogs everywhere. It was just some dogs playing in the water. It was so cute. How the hell they end up at the beach? Out of all places. I'm enjoying myself. I'm enjoying my husband. So that's all that matters. Hopefully it don't rain. But if it do, hopefully it's after 3 so that we can at least start this stuff, you know, raining by the time we get there. a vacation. I want to be a vacation. Hey guys, I'm like 5 out of 10. Nah, I'm more than 5 out of 10. I'm like 8 out of 10. Tipsy. Y'all know I don't drink. I get nauseous every time I drink. But out here, I can drink and I don't get sick.
No.
Finish it, please. Please.
Oh, you baby, I gotta drive for an hour.
You're right. You gotta drive. You just don't know. I'm gonna get on his damn nerves.
That ain't finished.
Okay, we are on the bus on the way to the ATV tour. Duda just went to go get his glasses out the car. It's the Ray-Bans glasses that basically record on the glasses. And we're gonna record off of that because my camera is damn near going dead. So 9 times out of 10, I'm not gonna get any footage on my camera. Hopefully I'll give me some nice pictures in it.
Chicos, well, for all of you, food is included after the tour. So it's gonna be rice with chicken mixed together with some spices, salad, sweet plantain. And we have also in there some fruits for you, iced tea and water. So may I know if someone here is vegetarian?
Me, I'm vegan.
Vegan, okay. Just one vegan, okay. Muy bien, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Any allergy that we can consider? No allergies? That's all. Be careful, don't fall. It's just right there. It's a caiman. Caimans are family of the crocodiles and alligators, but they have the behavior to live in fresh water, in these little creeks. That's what they like. Remember that crocodiles, they can live in both water, salty and fresh. Caimans just in fresh water. For the dates, they want the dates.
Know what you want and need, bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away.
Literally hanging.
Watermelon sweet.
Yeah, it got seasoning too. Yeah, we just made it to the first zip lining part.
See my back black?
No.
Ho, I got something that I could lend you. Ho, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Cole in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too.
So this is the living room area, the kitchen area. This is my ice cream and my brownie. Y'all know we already been here and this tour is really last minute, so. And then the stairs up to the room. I'm not gonna go up there because I really don't feel like it, but this is what we got, baby. It's just a bed and a dresser Yeah. So I'm gonna close these curtains.
Girl, I know you feel me, yeah. So much to live for, true, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not.
It's the first time for everything. This shit is so beautiful. I'm literally about to cry. God did the big one with Earth for real. I literally just seen a big ass iguana on my camera. So I wasn't really talking much during this vlog, and I feel like it's because I was truly enjoying myself and my husband's company. I set my intentions for the day every morning, and I was getting into it. Y'all can hear me. They don't really have vegan options here, so we gotta put some shit together, you know what I mean? Cheers. It tastes the same.
We got an onion too. You want some of my onion? And my lobster mac. Thank you.
Bustin'. Mucho bueno. Y'all, he got me drunk. Mucho bueno. Mucho bueno. You okay? It's our last night in Costa Rica. Guys, if y'all didn't know, this is probably one of my favorite trips.